how to allow or block an app to change system settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. Now in the list of available apps, tap on an app that you would like to manage. Then we scroll down and in here tap on change system settings and then tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here I will switch it off, which means I will block the Android Auto app to change system settings. If you want, you can switch it on to allow it to change system settings. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.